Good morning, boys and girls. Let's have a look at some revision on subtracting using a number line. So when we're subtracting, we are counting back on the number line. So they start with 10, take away 5 is the number sentence. And to work that out on a number line, you start at the big number and you jump back because we're counting back. And back means you're going smaller to smaller numbers. So you jump and then count, and we're going down 5 jumps. Jump 1, jump 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's your answer. You should be getting very good at these now. So I will let you finish this one by yourself. The next one says match each sum to its number line. Okay, so the first one says 7, so it starts with 7. It's the big number. Take away or jump back or go down or less 3 to land on 4. Let's see if we can find that. We need to start on 7, and I can see it there. We're starting on the 7, jumping back 1, 2, 3 to land on 4. So you're going to match by drawing a line, the number sum to the correct number line. I'll let you finish those by yourself. Lots of practice today, but practice is good, especially when it's getting easier for you. Got some bigger numbers here, but still exactly the same strategy. It says jump back to find the difference. So we're beginning on 20 and we're jumping back 4. Jump 1, jump 2, jump 3, jump 4. And there's our answer. I'll go closer. 1 and a 6. That means 1 10 and 6 ones is 16. I'll let you do the others by yourself. Got more, quite a bit today, keeping us busy. Now still this is take away, but they're using the word difference. So that's like saying you've got 2 different amounts, but by how different is it? For example, you might have a brother or sister. You might be 6 years old and your little brother or sister might be 4 years old. So we know that your ages are different, but by how many? What's the difference in your age? Well, let's look at this. Here's 4 hearts. So let's pretend that's 4 birthdays your brother or sister's had. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're 4 years old. And the stars could be you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years old if you were 6. So what's the difference in your age? It's by 1 year, 2 years. You're 2 years older than your brother or sister. So 2 is the difference in your age, or 2 is the difference between 6 and 4. So it's asking us to count to find the difference. The difference between 6 and 4 is, it's a bit like saying 6, take away 4, or jump back 4. But the answer we know is 2. The difference is 2. Okay, the difference between 7 and 3. So here's 7 circles and here's 3 triangles. So the difference is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is different by the amount of 4 circles, and that's the same as having 7 and counting off 3. So if we were to cross off 3, there would be 4 left. It's just it's the same working out, but they're using different words, so it's good to know when you see the difference what they're talking about. Now what's the difference between these flowers? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 semicircles or half circles. The difference is 1, 2, 3. There's 3 more flowers. So this amount is different to this amount by 3. So 8 take away 5 is 3. The last one you can do all by yourself. But try and remember that word, the difference is just like doing take away. Taking that smaller number off their bigger number. And last one for the day, keeping you nice and busy, count the jumps to find the difference. So the difference between 10 and 4 is, so we'll just jump back till we get to 4. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 came up to here and 10 came all the way up to here. So the difference was the 6 jumps we did. I hope you can see that. Let's try it again. What is the difference between 9 and 5? So, starting at 0, 5 comes all the way up to here, doesn't it? And 9 comes all the way up to here. So what's the difference? Well, let's see. We'll count the jumps. And it doesn't matter if we go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still 4 numbers that's different between them. So the next 2, I will let you do all by yourself. All right. Well, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and thank you for your hard work.